Ever felt your head get heavy during a long meeting? Or hit a wall during your workout, feeling lazy and unmotivated? We've all been there, but what if the answer to unlocking peak mental focus and athletic performance could be as simple as a glass of water? That's right, hydration plays a crucial role in both how your brain functions and how your body performs. In this video, we'll explore the science behind hydration's impact on your cognitive abilities and athletic potential. We'll disprove myths, provide practical tips, and get you feeling sharp and energized throughout the day. So, grab a water bottle, get comfortable, and let's step into the fascinating world of water and its power to optimize your mind and body. Your brain, a thirsty organ. Did you know that your brain is about 73% water? That's right, a significant portion of your brain is made up of water. Even mild dehydration, as little as a 2% fluid loss, can negatively impact your brain power, according to a study in the Journal of Neuroscience. Water plays a vital role in various critical brain processes. It acts like a highway for electrical signals to travel between brain cells, enabling clear communication. When dehydrated, this communication gets disrupted, leading to fogginess, trouble concentrating, and slower reflexes. Water also acts as a delivery truck, transporting essential nutrients and oxygen to your brain cells, fueling them and keeping them healthy. Without proper hydration, your brain cells might not receive the resources they need to function optimally. Finally, water helps flush out toxins and waste products from your brain cells. Dehydration can lead to a buildup of these waste products, further hindering brain function. Imagine your brain as a high-performance computer. When it's well hydrated, it runs smoothly and efficiently. But even a slight drop in water levels can slow down its processing power and lead to glitches. So keep your brain happy and functioning at its best by staying hydrated. Transformation from foggy to focused. Imagine this. You're at work, tackling a complex project. But as the day goes on, you start to feel a slight headache creeping in. Your concentration decreases, information seems harder to process, and simple tasks become frustrating. This could be a sign of dehydration impacting your cognitive function. An article published in 2011 by the University of London on the effects of dehydration on cognitive performance found that even mild dehydration can interfere with alertness, memory, and focus. On the other hand, staying properly hydrated can significantly enhance your cognitive abilities. Proper hydration can improve memory, reaction time, and overall cognitive performance. More than just preventing cramps. Hydration goes far beyond just keeping your brain sharp. It's essential to get the most out of your workouts. Exercise triggers sweating, a natural process your body uses to regulate temperature. But this sweating leads to fluid loss, and even mild dehydration can significantly impact your workout. When you're dehydrated, your body has to work harder to cool itself down. This translates to fatigue and a reduced ability to exercise. You might find yourself getting winded faster and struggling to maintain your workout intensity. Water is crucial for proper muscle function as well. Dehydration can lead to muscle cramps, decreased power output, and reduced coordination, hindering your performance and increasing your risk of injury. Proper hydration is also key to flushing out waste products produced during exercise and facilitating muscle repair. If you're dehydrated, recovery can slow down, leaving you feeling sore and achy for longer. Imagine training for a marathon. Dehydration can slow you down and make you feel sluggish, impacting your motivation and training effectiveness. Conversely, staying hydrated throughout your training can maximize your endurance, prevent muscle cramps, and help you recover faster, optimizing your performance on race day. How much water do you need? The amount of water you need can vary depending on several factors, including your activity level, climate, and overall health. Here's a breakdown to help you determine your personal hydration needs. The 8-8-8 rule. This widely known advice suggests drinking 8 8-ounce glasses of water per day. While a good starting point, it's not a one-size-fits-all approach. Your individual body size and activity level can significantly impact your water requirements. Listen to your body. Your thirst cues are valuable indicators of your hydration status. Feeling thirsty is a sign your body is already dehydrated. Aim to drink water throughout the day, even if you don't feel parched. Don't wait until you're feeling parched to reach for your water bottle. Monitor your urine color. Your urine color can be a simple yet effective way to gauge your hydration status. Pale yellow urine is generally considered ideal, indicating adequate hydration. Darker yellow urine suggests dehydration, prompting you to increase your water intake. If you're active or exercise regularly, you'll need to drink more water to replace fluids lost through sweat. During exercise, your body sweats to regulate temperature. This sweating process leads to fluid loss, and even mild dehydration can significantly impact your workout. Aim to drink extra water before, during, and after your workout to compensate for fluid loss. Consider the climate. Hot and humid environments can lead to increased sweating, so adjust your water intake accordingly. Living in a hot climate or spending time outdoors on a hot day will naturally increase your body's need for fluids to regulate temperature and prevent dehydration. Practical tips for making hydration easy. Staying hydrated doesn't have to be complicated. Here are some practical tips to make it an easier habit to incorporate into your daily routine. Carry a reusable water bottle. Having a water bottle readily available serves as a constant reminder to drink. Choose a reusable water bottle that you enjoy using and keep it filled throughout the day. Find a bottle that's a good size for you and easy to carry around, whether it's a sleek metal bottle or a colorful BPA-free plastic option. Set reminders. Use your phone or a fitness tracker to set reminders to drink water throughout the day. Especially if you tend to get busy and forget to drink water regularly, setting reminders on your phone or using a fitness tracker with hydration tracking features can be a helpful way to stay on top of your water intake. Flavor your water. If plain water seems boring, add slices of lemon, cucumber, or berries for a refreshing twist. Enhance the taste of your water with natural flavorings. Experiment with different fruits, herbs, or even slices of cucumber to add a touch of. Flavor and make water more enjoyable to drink. Choose water-rich foods. Certain fruits and vegetables like watermelon, celery, and cucumber have high water content and can contribute to your daily hydration needs. Incorporate water-rich fruits and vegetables into your diet. These foods can provide additional hydration and essential nutrients alongside the water you drink. The role of electrolytes. While water is essential, electrolytes also play a role in hydration. Electrolytes are minerals like sodium, potassium, and magnesium that help regulate fluids in your body and support various functions, including muscle function and nerve transmission. During intense exercise or prolonged sweating, you may lose electrolytes along with fluids. This can lead to muscle cramps, fatigue, and even nausea. In these cases, you might consider sports drinks that contain electrolytes, but be mindful of sugar content. Coconut water is another natural source of electrolytes and can be a good option. However, for most people engaged in moderate activity, water is sufficient for maintaining electrolyte balance. If you're unsure about your specific needs, consult a healthcare professional. Hold the key to unlocking a sharper mind, a stronger body, and a more energized you. But the power of hydration doesn't stop with you. Share this video with your friends and family. Let's raise a glass, of water of course, to a healthier, happier, and more hydrated world.